For today's real estate advice is have other realtors do open houses for you. For myself, sometimes I might have 4, 5, 6 listings at a time, and I can't be at every single property when I'm doing open houses. Sometimes we'll have 3 or 4 in one day. So I will get another agent from my office or my team to do the open house. As a seller, how does that benefit you? Well, first off, the other realtor, I give them all of the marketing materials and they blast it on their social media. So you have more eyeballs, that are looking at your property before the open house. So I will blast it on my social media, they'll blast it on theirs, and you just get more eyeballs on it. So that helps you. The second reason is it's always good, to have a buying agent that's working the open house that can represent a potential buyer coming in. So there's no conflict of interest or no multiple representation. So what happens is that they come in, if a buyer's interested, that comes into the open house and wants to put an offer in, well, that other agent can represent the buyer and I can represent the seller, and there's no conflict of interest. I can make sure my party is protected and the buyer can make sure the buyer's agent can make sure that buyer is also protected and no conflict of interest. So yeah, everybody works out. So everybody is happy in the end. And the other thing is sometimes it's good to have an agent that doesn't know 100% about the property, because it's always a good tactic for them to get the name of the potential buyer and follow up with them once they get that information. So it kind of makes sure it keeps all the juices flowing and that the interest is still there. So yeah, I highly recommend other agents doing open houses for you.